another episode of Entrepreneur Doc 120. So have you ever been faced with a situation where you are waiting for an outcome over which you have no control? You might be waiting for a scholarship, a job interview, or maybe your visa. All you can do in those situations is that apply to the best of your judgment and knowledge and just wait. These are times of stress where you are eagerly waiting for a positive outcome because you have this belief that the outcome is going to massively impact your life. The butterfly sensation in your stomach paralyzes you to inaction. But that is the time when you act. That is the time when you keep on moving forward and working. That time of restlessness is the time when you tell yourself that the outcome does not define your destiny. That one pending decision to be made by someone does not define you. And let's just acknowledge that waiting is hard. Patience is really hard. It is not easy. But that is how you and I develop resilience. You are awesome and you know that. So you have to keep on moving forward to accomplish your goals.